like, you know, that girl. Beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dilylah.ferrari if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? What's up? I am back with another bomb hair tutorial. Now this hair is from Fashion Plus. I did a lot to this hair, and you guys have to just stay tuned to see exactly how I got it like this, because this was last minute. I was literally about to do a bob, but then I thought about it. We still want to look corporate. We still want to look grown and bougie, and we still want to look like that girl. So I just went ahead and snip a little bit of the ends just to get a clean cut feathery look. I wasn't planning on doing it like this, but look at this. Look at when I comb it out. This hair is so bomb, by the way. I feel like very much natural hair. This hair is 100% virgin hair, you guys. I love Fashion Plus hair. I've ordered from their hair companies before, and it's on Amazon, so you get it a day or two. It is quick shipping. This hair is under $100. It's only $78, I believe. Plus, you get a code. When you click on the code on Amazon, it takes off some money. So this is so affordable and so cheap, you guys. The hair is super soft. It is so lightweight, but also have a lot of density and fullness in the hair. I love this hair, and I'm not only just saying that. You guys saw my last hair tutorials. It was bomb. I worked with this company in the past. I've ordered hair before they reached out to me. I'm just so excited and so pleased because this hair company is very much worth the coins, okay? You guys gonna see in this video that I took my time and bleached knots. I did have a little boo-boo when I was bleaching the knots, but I showed you in the video how to fix that, okay? It was a very easy process to just fix the over bleach problem. Over bleaching, it's not an issue, you guys. It's really not, especially when you have quality hair. I will be having a lot more hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, just a lot of, you know, grown, sexy, cute, classy. I'm gonna find you guys a lot of good products just to make you feel good, not only on the inside but on the outside also. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What's up, beautiful people? And we about to install this 18-inch 4x4 beautiful wig from Fashion Plus hair company on Amazon, you guys. I just quickly braided my hair into two little pigtails. I was originally trying to do a bun, but it was giving me a hump in the back. I don't know, some of the girls could do it, I can't. But you guys, I just wanted to tell you a lot more about the hair. Look at the hair at its natural state. Like, it's just so beautiful and so soft, you guys. It felt like I spent a great amount of money on this hair, and look at the density. This is an 18-inch. I washed it, rinsed it out. I did bleach my knots as I showed you earlier, and I did over bleach, but I'm gonna show you how you could fix that problem. As you can see right there, it is over bleach, but the hair took the bleach so good. Like, it was just bleaching quick. See, what happened was I was doing my makeup, and my makeup took longer than I thought it was gonna take. It was only supposed to take like 15 minutes. but it took about 30 minutes. But you guys, the hair took the bleach really well. I'm about to pluck and style and do all that good jazz. I'm not gonna lie, just because I over bleached doesn't mean the hair didn't take the bleach good. Like, look how beautiful. You guys, this is Fashion Plus. Like, it came in this beautiful small little bag that you can like store it in when you're done with it. You guys, let's talk about quality. Like, good bag just to throw your wig right back in there when you're done with it. Really good quality. I believe this is Brazilian, but like, it just feels so good. It feels like natural hair. Like, if your man is running your hands through it, he is gonna love it. Okay, he's gonna love it. It's just, look at it. And this is when you wash it. This is the natural state when you wash it. Look at the curls. Get into it. I have my hot comb heating up behind me. I'm going to style it with you guys right now. Oh, this is so big head friendly because I have a big head, you guys, and it just sat on my head really perfectly. I gotta move my wig cap back, and since this is a 4x4, I'm not doing the ball cap method. Is not needed. No, I look like Tina Turner or whatever right now. I look a little bit wild, like wild chick. But as you can see, I really like the hair. I love the waves that it comes with. I'm not sure if I would keep it like this or if I'll cut it into a blunt bob, but this is the 18-inch. It comes up to there. If you wanted to do like a wet look, you can do that if you wanted to. I think it's like the perfect length for like the corporate world, or if you're trying to like be very casual. It comes right here, like literally up to my chest. But we gotta fix this part right here, and we gotta plug and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna fix the top part. It's a little bit bulky, it's a little bit full. What you'll need is a wax stick, and you'll need your hot comb. So you want to apply a little bit of wax stick on the top part, and I need to plug, and I need to put some mascara. So I need it as flat as I can be so that I can be able to do that part. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and flatten it out. I'm thinking about adding layers. I'm not too sure just yet, because if I add some layers, I think it would be cute, or I could just leave it like this and like bump it so it could look like I just got a wash and set and a blowout. I love it. Like, honestly, I'm starting to get used to 18 inches. Something about the 18 inches is just doing it for me right now. And it's not shedding, you guys. It's not shedding. It's about one strand, literally. This hair is super soft, it's lightweight. The only thing I could really say is that up here is very thick, but a little bit of plucking and customizing can fix that. So I want to pluck here first, and I want to make hair very like natural. So I'm gonna do this. Now that I'm done with the plucking, I'm going to try to fix this right here, and it's very easy. It's very self-explanatory. You could either get a spray like this. For you to fix this, you could get like a black one. You could get a black hairspray. Literally put like anything straight, like a pin or something, and hold it there and spray it to turn it black, and then you'll still save that part. But since I don't have that, I'm going to just use my mascara. This way it's very easy, it's quicker. Honestly, it's you get to pay attention more on what you're doing, like literally, like look. And whenever you have an over bleach problem, just literally take some mascara or the hair dye spray and spray it on there, and you can fix that problem very easily. Hey guys, just a quick voiceover. Look how beautiful that came out using the mascara method. I'm going in now with my Ebon Tint lace spray. This is the medium brown color. I'm gonna spray the inside lace closer to the hairline, and then I'm going to spray my cap, you guys. I have 2 caps on to keep my braids nice and small, and so that my wig can sit on, you know, less bulky. You want to use 2 lace caps. I mean wig caps. You know what I mean, girl. Then you're gonna put that bomb wig on and line it up to your natural hairline. We're gonna go in with our Got To Be glue. This is the High Insta Hold. I need some clips to clip back the hair, honey child, because I don't want to get this spray onto the hair and it will cause it to be hard. I'm gonna melt my lace, y'all. This spray is so bomb. It holds for a really long time. Then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just, you know, blow that dry. Then I'm gonna take my scissors. This isn't the best scissors, guys, but it gets the job done. Gonna take that extra lace off. I bet you didn't even see that lace there. Did you? That's how great the lace is on the Fashion Plus hair. I highly suggest this hair company, you guys. It's from Amazon again. I highly suggest it. I'm gonna go back in with my Ebon New York tint spray, and I'm gonna use the cardboard from my wig cap, and I'm gonna place it in front of my hair so that it don't mess up my skin. And I'm gonna spray the hairline just a little bit more. Look how beautiful that came out. I'm so satisfied. So now I just want the top to be super flat and laid. So I'm gonna go in with my edge wax again and my hot comb. The edge wax literally is wax and it's like greasy, just a little bit. It molds the hair together and it make it super flat, you guys. I highly suggest getting a edge wax from your beauty supply store. It helps you mold that top bulkiness, you know, and it helps make the hair look more natural and super bomb, like you just walked out of a hair salon, guys. Get yourself a hot comb and an edge wax, and I promise you your hair will come out so fire. Let me know in the comments down below if you do use the edge wax and which edge wax you use, because that's the best thing I could have ever done to my hairs, my wigs that I do all the time, is use that edge wax and the hot comb together. It just makes it so bomb and flat. Like I said before, I keep repeating myself, but that's how much I like it. All right, y'all, I didn't know what to do with my hair. I was about to do a blunt cut. I was literally gonna take my scissors and just cut it into a straight blunt bob. But then I said, you know what, I kind of want to look grown and sexy, and I want to look like, you know, like it's my natural hair that I walked out of a Dominican hair salon. So I decided to flat iron it first and then just start cutting the ends, as if I went to the hair salon and told them, hey, I'm trimming my ends today, but give me a little feathery look. So watch what I do here, y'all. I'm comparing the wet wavy side to the straight side, and I honestly like the straighter side. So I said, you know what, let me cut some cuts. Let me cut off those little ends there, as if I'm giving myself a trim. And I just slant my scissors slightly and cut in a diagonal. And that's how I got the feathery look that you guys are gonna see at the end. Alrighty, you guys, so this is how the hair came out. I hope you enjoyed how I took my time out and styled it and did all of that jazz. I am so excited to have came out with this feathery look. I never did this before. I'm so excited I got to do it. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the voiceover, and yeah, it was a lot, but it came out so bomb. I can go to work like this. I could go to church. I could go out to eat. I could go to brunch. I could go to the club. I could do whatever in this hair, whatever lifestyle you're going for. Remember, guys, we're getting older. Remember to just keep it cute and classy. Like I said in the beginning, I could have just did a blunt cut, you know, like a bob, and probably still would have been cute because the hair is very much cute. But I went ahead and I did a feathery look, and this is new to me. Like, I can't believe this is me. This is like, I can't believe this hair though. Honestly, just get into it. Look at the shine. There is no grease in this. There is nothing in this. Look at how I'm running my hands through it. I probably could have flat ironed it a little bit more, but I don't like really flat hair. I like full thick hair, and I love the fact that Fashion Plus has really good quality thick hair. The hair is not too thin, and if you have enough time, you can customize it to your liking. Just take your time, ladies. Like, I know it can be a lot trying to learn how to do hair, because it is a lot for me also. Don't think that I just woke up and knew how to do this. Like, I'm still learning and like trying to get my trying to get savvy with my crafting when it comes to hair, if that makes sense. Do that make sense? Yeah, so I'm still trying to become a pro with this whole lace thing, pretty much. I'm still trying to become a pro. So yeah, this is how it came out. I love it so much.
It's so cute.
Thank you. My cousin just came home and she was like, you should cut it.
Right.
She was like, you should cut it. But I was like, let me do the feathery look. You know, the feathery
cute.
look.
That's cute. You were grown.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like,
you're gonna have
like,
a good time tonight.
Like, not a little girl.
Yeah,